Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. In case you're new here, my name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new video. So guys, today we're making a very simple hairspray using just 2 ingredients. And my first ingredient is star anise. This star anise is good and packed with nutrients and it is very common and easy to get. So my second ingredient is bay leaf. As you all know, bay leaf is very common, is used for cooking, and it is also good when it comes to natural hair. You can get this on a herbal store or online on Amazon, and I'll leave the link below in case you're interested. So guys, next I'm going to go ahead and open my clean jar. So my jar is already washed and sterilized. Next I'm just going to go in and put in my ingredients inside the jar. So once I have all my ingredients inside the jar, I'm going to go ahead and fill it with hot water, and I'll fill it till it's full. So once my jar is filled, I'm going to go ahead and try to just stir it and mix everything together, and then I'll cover up my jar and I'll store it in a cool and dark place overnight. You can store it for a day or two, depending on how long you want it. The more you keep it, the more concentrated the water is going to be. So this is the next day, and this is how my water looks like. I'm going to go ahead now and transfer it into my spray bottle. So if you intend to grow back your natural hair, maybe you've experienced hair loss or you are just starting your natural hair, hydrating your hair is very important. And instead of using just water, why not add these natural ingredients to your spray water? This will give it additional nutrients that will keep your hair shiny and at the same time hydrated. So here my water is ready in my spray bottle. I'm going to be showing you guys just a little clip of how I add this to my hair. My hair is in a protective style, as you can see here. So I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to spray it on it, and then I'll massage it into my scalp. Then I leave it on. You don't need to wash out this hairspray. You can just spray it and then you leave it on your hair for as long as you want. Me, I normally spray my hair and hydrate it once in 2 days minimum. So I just do this and then I just pack my hair back and I leave it in the protective style. And the amazing part about this hairspray is that you can use it to spray your hair irrespective of the protective style that you have, braid or maybe weaves. Whatever style you have, you can just spray this on your hair and it doesn't have a bad smell. In fact, the smell is really nice and pleasant, so you can just spray it on your hair and then you are good to go. So I'm done applying it to my hair, as you can see here, I'm just going to leave my hair like this, and I can come back and spray it on as many times as I want during the week. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.